Experience unparalleled convenience with Use My Trailer and Services, your premier choice for dumpster rental in Commerce, Texas. Whether clearing out your attic, managing a large construction project, or handling a significant cleanout, our versatile dumpster solutions are designed to meet your specific needs. We pride ourselves on delivering prompt and reliable service, ensuring your waste disposal process is smooth and hassle-free. At Use My Trailer and Services, we elevate dumpster rental in Commerce, Texas, to a new level of efficiency and ease. Our user-friendly approach includes flexible rental periods, competitive rates, and a wide range of dumpster sizes to accommodate projects of any scale. We're committed to providing exceptional customer service, making the rental process straightforward from start to finish. Visit our website at www.usemytrailertx.com to discover how we can simplify your waste management needs. When you choose Use My Trailer and Services, you choose a dependable partner dedicated to your project's success. Our expert team is always ready to provide guidance and support, ensuring you select the perfect dumpster for your requirements. With our efficient delivery and pickup services, you can focus on your project without worrying about waste disposal. For top-tier dumpster rental in Commerce, Texas, contact us at 469-569-5585 and experience the superior Use My Trailer and Services service.